I'm going to demo our isolation room, and our isolation room is going to be made out of a pipe and base frame with vinyl panels and a polypremier roof. So I'm just going to set this up really quickly. You can buy this in our online store. You can call in if you need to have it customized. We're going to start by placing 4 18-inch bases in a square, and then we're going to use a 2-inch diameter 8-foot upright with castle tops, and then we're going to use 6 to 10 drape supports on the top and at the 3-foot slot to make the room very secure, along with 3 vinyl wall panels. They're going to be able to Velcro shut. That's an option you can add, as well as a vinyl panel for the front, which acts as a door, and it's a vinyl door that rolls up, and then a polypremier roof if you need a covering over your isolation room. Alright, so I want to show you guys the options for the front of the isolation room or for a door. So we're offering 3 different options. One's going to be a 2-panel design, so it'll look like this. It'll be 2 separate panels, and it has almost like kind of a shower curtain look at the top, so it can slide open and shut very easily. This one right here is going to be the roll-up Velcro door, so the door rolls up and you can attach it up here, and then we also do have a zipper option door, so the door opens with a zipper. So those are the different options. I'm going to show you this really quick. So basically all you do is pull up your door here. Attachments here. And you're done. So now you have an open door during the day. You can shut it at night for some privacy or whatever you might need. Okay, in order to make this room even more secure, we went to a 2-inch diameter pipe. We're also recommending that you add some drape supports at the 3-foot space to give it a little bit more rigidity, so that if it gets bumped from the outside, it's going to keep its nice frame. So basically, you just put this at the top. Put my button here. Push your button in. And that's it. You got a nice grip. We are going to install the optional roof panel. This is a 2-person operation, so I have Ian here who's going to help me. And the way this works is I'm going to go inside and I'm going to hand him over the edging, and it's going to Velcro to the outside of the panel, as you can see all the way around. And then we're going to pull it taut, and it's going to make a nice flat roof. So here we go. You are going to want to make sure there's 2 seams on it, as you can see, kind of going horizontal across. That's going to meet up with the back and the front. So I'm just going to kind of start here. Hand him over. Keep going to move down here. Alright, so now that we've got our isolation room set up, I'm going to show you guys how to safely take it down. I'm going to start with the roof and then go around and take down the sides, and then I'm going to show you how you can store them in these handy bags. Okay, so I got the roof down. I'm going to fold this here in a minute, and now I'm going to show you guys how to take down the walls. So you're going to want to start with unvelcroing the sides if you have Velcro closures on your walls. Okay, so now we're gonna remove the drape supports with the vinyl and fold the vinyl up and put them in the bags. Just make sure you're holding your pole when you're doing this to make sure that it stays nice and stable.